Welcome to No Instructor. My name is Daniel. Today I'm going to teach you how to park and keep yourself a meter away between you and the left hand side. Hopefully at the end of this lesson you'll be able to set yourself a reference point and be able to park on the left hand side safely under control without me helping you. First things first, you need yourself some L plates, a roadworthy car, an interior mirror for the passenger, and most important thing, you need car insurance. There are lots of learner car insurance in the market. They are cost effective, and most important thing, if you have an accident it will not damage the car owner's insurance. Last lesson I've teach you how to move off. Now today I will teach you how to keep yourself a meter away, like this diagram here. Between you and the curb should be a meter away, and how to park yourself back into the left hand side and try to keep yourself roughly 20 centimeters away between you and the curb. Last time I also mentioned about reference point, and what we're going to do today is I'm going to give you more details about how to set yourself a reference point. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to set yourself a reference point. When you're normal driving, you should be roughly 30 to 40 centimeters away between you and the curb. Now let's have a look. How far are we? Okay, alright then. Now you see where we are is roughly 30 to 40 centimeters away, and this is where you're supposed to be parked in your driving test or in your normal driving lessons. Okay, now how do you know that you're that close? Is by looking at these dots here. See, there's 5 dots. Okay, now your height is roughly 6 feet, so you should be using the outside dot. That dot should be look like in the driving position touching the inside part of the curb. Do you agree? Alright, and when you are driving you should be roughly a meter away between you and the curb, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, now if you look ahead we look like we're roughly in the middle. Now that far right red dot should be touching the edge of the curb. Okay, and I'm going to stop now just to show you how far we're at. Have a look at my door again. Okay, so where we are now, we are 1 meter away between you and the curb line. The reason why I want to be 1 meter away is because if someone walked out, you have enough time to react. You don't want to go too close to the curb, because if you drive too close to the curb, there may be some nails, glass, anything, and it may damage your tires. So you want to keep this distance. So that's how we do it. Okay. That red point I gave you is also the point where you want to be between you and parked cars. When you're going past parked cars, you also want to keep 1 meter away, because if the parked car suddenly decide to open the door, with that red dot being that far away between you and the curb, and using that red dot to in line with the edge of the parked car, if the door suddenly open, you will not damage the parked door's car.